By now, most of you should have heard, and you may have watched a video regarding me offering NASDAQ trading, okay? Now, of course, I've been wanting to trade on the US30 only, and since mentioning this decision of mine to offer NASDAQ trading, whether you're here on YouTube or you may have saw a video on IG, I have received an overwhelming response, okay? Now, to be honest with you, I didn't really know how it was going to sit with everyone, okay? I really didn't. And like I said, because my focus has been the US30. But with the responses, it's time to just take things to a whole nother level. So what I've decided to do was offer the same thing like I'm doing with the US30, offer a Telegram where you guys can receive insights, signals, alerts, play-by-play walkthroughs on this market. Now, the great thing about the NASDAQ is that it works extremely well with my US30 framework. Or let me just call it our trading framework. It works extremely well. It was designed for, put together for the US30, but when you look at the NASDAQ, and if you know my strategy, it works well. So what I've been doing over the weekend, and I've taken some time this past week, was to look over the NASDAQ extensively to make sure that it falls in line. And I have to tell you, it does. And I could not be any happier. Now, what this means for you is that if you're struggling on trading the NASDAQ, you know, they're on the future side, if you were looking for someone to provide you with signals, alerts, insights, walkthroughs on the market in real time, this is what you're going to be able to receive from me. You'll be receiving these insights, alerts, signals, all that stuff. And being able to get into the market with surety and with a higher level of confidence, and you know, just having that guidance so you'll know what to look at, what to look for, how to think about the market, how to read the market, you know, when to make the first move, when to get out of your trades, when to hold your trades, you know, when the market is going to reverse on you. To have all of this right at your fingertips is absolutely phenomenal. So there's still much for me to build in the background, but I'm telling you, with the alarming response, you guys are excited about it. And I want to get this thing done like right away, because I know that the sooner I get it together, there are so many people who are waiting. Maybe you didn't want to do the US30. Maybe you weren't sure about me as a mentor. Maybe you've heard things, but this will be your chance to partner with me. And I'm talking about for a lifetime. You can partner with me and you can have these insights, signals, alerts, the training, access to the members area, all of that right at your disposal. So for some, this may seem like a tall order, but when you see the markets like I see it, you'll realize that it's not that hard. It's not that hard. It's just the charts. And when you go into the charts with a clear mind and you know the framework, it brings you closer to realizing success in the market. And I want to tell you guys, with my many years being in the market, not just as a trainer, but as a trader, mentor, all of that, there's not a whole lot that I haven't seen in these markets. So you will be in good hands. You know, you will be in good hands. I'm very excited about this, for real. I really am. So some of you may want to know, why is me offering training on the NASDAQ along with the US30 such a game changer? Well, the reason why is it's all because of the framework. All right. We have, and which is very, very exciting, the same framework, or let's say the same 12 predetermined areas works well with NASDAQ. All right. So when you have the 12 areas that where the market's going to go every single day, it's going to go to these areas every single day like clockwork, and the biggest moves happen when you have those in your, on your radar, and you can sit back and just wait for the market to get there. And then when you're familiar with VPAS, which helps you read each candle, telling each candle or let you know what the candles are representing, what it's telling you, like a story, a chapter in a book. When you know this, see, that's going to bring you to where do you get in? And that's TPES. And the perfect entry strategy has been my timeless entry strategy. I have not changed that strategy. That has been my entry strategy since day one. Okay. And I have helped thousands of students from all across the world to enter the market using this strategy, the very same strategy. But you see, when you have the 12 predetermined areas, now you know where the market's going to go. You know where the market's going to go. You know where to look for the setup. When you have VPAS and it's showing you each candle so you can know when to actually get in, and then when you know the requirements for entry using TPES, and once you're in that trade, now you have SIT, which is going to allow you to hang in that trade for days, weeks, months at a time. And if you're a scalper, staying there for, multiple sessions, maybe even hours at a time. When you have that, on top of all that, you're in the market. You're running that market from point A to point B. And now you have access to SMS, the structural mastery, that's going to give you a heads up when the market's going to reverse. Mind blown. You're talking about from top to bottom or from bottom to top. You're in the market and you know exactly what to do every step of the way. On top of that, having me to guide you, hold your hand, give you insights, signals, alerts, giving you play-by-play walkthroughs. Oh my goodness. Imagine that. So listen, you have much to be excited about. I'm very excited. Like I said, I have work to do on the back end. Me and my tech team, we have stuff to do. So I'm looking forward to providing this for you guys. And listen, be excited. Like, really be excited, because this is happening, all right? When I put something in motion, call it done, all right? So listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. And as always, remember to remain and stay prayed in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.